In this video, I am going to talk about how easy it is to create stunning looking signature with links that actually work whenever somebody click on it inside Microsoft Outlook. And that too, we're gonna do quickly in a minute. And to make it even more simpler, what I'm gonna do is I am going to take help of AI. So what I will do here is I will open browser and look for Claude AI. If you are new here, simply click on sign in, and what it will do is it will create your account. And of course, whatever we are doing is absolutely free. Now here you can see, I am using free plan. All here I'm gonna do is I am going to say I work for Technoholic and I work as a video editor. Now I want you to help me create stunning looking signature that should have my Instagram ID, my YouTube ID, my Facebook ID, my LinkedIn ID, my phone number, and other relevant detail. Maybe you can create a template and then I'm gonna modify it based on my requirement. Now in this way you can guide AI and then make sure you choose Sonnet 4.6. If you are using paid version, you can go with Opus as well. Now I'm gonna hit OK, and now let's wait for AI to do the magic. And also you can see I simply wrote this prompt and then this is what we are getting, and we do have further option to customize it. So we can simply click here on customize signature and then this will allow us to do that. When you click on customize further, and of course you can customize it based on your requirement. Now what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to simply copy this. Maybe I'm going to say copy to clipboard. After copying the signature, let's go back here, and this signature is definitely different than the one that I was showing you. Now let's go here on the top and click on settings. Now here we need to look for signature, which probably you're gonna find in account, and here in signature let's click on add signature, and now I'm gonna paste it. And there we have it. Of course you can modify it based on your requirement, but I'm just gonna give you a very basic overview. All right, now here I just pasted it and this is how it looked like. Of course we may require to further customize it, as you can see here. Maybe I'm gonna put my name, and then here I am going to make more adjustment and I'm gonna put my handle here. Now here we can see that this is not compatible. Maybe I can go back here and can ask, I want it to be compatible with rich text such that I can copy and paste it into Outlook. Now again, this will improve and I'm hoping that it should fix the issue. Now let's say if you use old Microsoft Office Outlook, which is Outlook Classic. I think in Outlook Classic there shouldn't be any problem even with this signature, and the reason behind is that Outlook Classic directly support HTML based signature. So if I go here in file, option, and then here in mail, we can click here on signature, and if I click here on new and give it HTML based signature, I should be able to paste signature and it will not create too much of issue. Now let me go back on the new Outlook, and probably now I might have even better signature, which is this one. And now if I copy this, I'm assuming that I shouldn't face too much of a problem in this new Outlook. And here we go. So that's how, guys, you can create stunning looking signature inside Microsoft Outlook utilizing AI. And then of course here you can put your links, and if you further want to add hyperlink, you can do that by this option. And then whenever you want to use it, it is pretty easy and simple. You need to click on signature, and then from here you can select the correct signature to sign. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any question or doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with that. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to follow more such office related videos. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.